It is so hot outside, your hair is sticking to your neck, and you are 2 seconds away from shaving it all off. Stop. Because summer hair does not have to be a struggle. Today, I am sharing 10 quick and easy summer hairstyles that take less than 2 minutes, look straight out of Pinterest, and actually survive the heat. And trust me, hairstyle number 7 makes you look expensive in under a minute, and number 10? It is for those days when your hair has officially given up. Let's begin. Number 1. The Claw Clip Flip. Let us start with the hairstyle that has saved girls everywhere. Gather your hair like you are making a low ponytail. Twist it upward. Secure it with a claw clip. Pull out a few face framing pieces. Done. Simple. Polished. And somehow, you instantly look put together. Number 2. Bubble Ponytail. Start with a regular ponytail. Add hair ties every few inches. Gently pull each section to create bubbles. That is it. It is giving summer main character. It is giving cool girl energy. And somehow, it makes a basic ponytail look 10 times better. Number 3. Mini Front Braids. Take 2 small front sections. Create 2 simple braids. Secure them with tiny elastics. Tiny detail. Huge difference. Number 4. Half Up Claw Clip. Take the top half of your hair. Twist it back. Secure it with a mini claw clip. Perfect for days when you want your hair down, but not in your face every 5 seconds. Number 5. Ribbon Ponytail. Create a low ponytail. Tie a ribbon around it. That is literally it. Adding a ribbon instantly elevates the whole look. And honestly, we love that. Number 6. Flip Through Ponytail. Tie a low ponytail. Create a small gap above the elastic. Flip the ponytail through. Instant upgrade. It takes 5 seconds, but looks like you actually planned your outfit. Number 7. Braided Claw Clip. Start with a simple braid. Twist it upward. Secure it with a claw clip. I do not know what kind of magic this hairstyle has, but it instantly makes you look expensive. This one changed my life. Number 8. Twisted Front Pieces. Take 2 front strands. Twist them away from your face. Secure them at the back. Clean, stylish, timeless, and ideal when you are rushing out the door. Number 9. French Pin Bun. Gather your hair into a twist. Roll it upward. Secure it with a French pin. Elegant, minimal, and surprisingly easy. Number 10. Lazy Girl Half Bun. Cannot decide if you want your hair up or down? Just do both. Take the top section of your hair from above your ears, twist it loosely into a cute small bun at the crown of your head, and secure it with a small elastic. Leave the rest of your hair down to flow naturally. It is completely relaxed, versatile, and perfect for those days when your hair has officially given up. And there you have it. 10 quick and easy summer hairstyles for lazy girls. Because summer is already hard enough. Your hair should not be. Comment below and tell me your favorite. 1, 7, or 10. Subscribe for daily aesthetic hair and overnight glow-up hacks, and see you in the next video.